Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to play Texas Hold'em poker. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, this video will take you through the basics and some advanced strategies of the game. Let's start with the basics. Texas Hold'em is played with a standard 52-card deck. The goal is to make the best 5-card hand using a combination of your 2 private cards and the 5 community cards. Before the cards are dealt, 2 players to the left of the dealer must post small and big blinds. These are forced bets to ensure there's action in every hand. The player to the left of the dealer posts the small blind, and the player to their left posts the big blind. After the blinds are posted, each player receives 2 hole cards. Then the first betting round begins. The first betting round, known as the pre-flop, starts with the player to the left of the big blind. This player can fold, call, or raise. Folding means they give up their hand, calling means they match the big blind, and raising means they increase the bet. Next is the flop. The dealer places 3 community cards face up in the center of the table. These are shared by all players. After the flop betting round, the dealer deals a 4th community card, known as the turn. The final community card, called the river, is dealt face up. This is followed by the last round of betting. In the showdown, players reveal their hole cards to determine the best 5-card hand. The player with the highest ranking hand wins the pot. Hands are ranked from highest to lowest as follows: royal flush, straight flush, 4 of a kind, full house, flush, straight, 3 of a kind, 2 pair, 1 pair, and high card. Let's go over the hand rankings quickly. A royal flush is the highest possible hand, consisting of ace, king, queen, jack, 10 of the same suit. A straight flush is any 5 consecutive cards of the same suit. 4 of a kind means having 4 cards of the same rank. A full house is 3 of a kind plus a pair. A flush is any 5 cards of the same suit, not in sequence. A straight is 5 consecutive cards of any suit. 3 of a kind is 3 cards of the same rank. 2 pair is 2 sets of pairs. 1 pair is 1 set of 2 cards of the same rank. And high card is the highest card in your hand when no other hands are made. Now that you understand the basics, let's talk strategy. Here are some tips to improve your Texas Hold'em game. Tip 1. Know when to fold. It's crucial to recognize when your hand isn't strong and cut your losses early. Folding might seem like a defeat, but it's a strategic move that can save you chips in the long run. Tip 2. Pay attention to your position at the table. Players who act later in the betting round have more information and can make better decisions. Being in a late position can give you a significant advantage. Tip 3. Bluff wisely. Bluffing can be a powerful tool, but overusing it can make you predictable. Use bluff sparingly and try to read your opponent's tendencies. Tip 4. Manage your bankroll. Set limits for yourself and stick to them to avoid losing more than you can afford. Good bankroll management is essential for long-term success. Tip 5. Study your opponents. Pay attention to their betting patterns and behaviors to gain insights into their hands. Understanding your opponents can give you a significant edge. Texas Hold'em is a game of skill, strategy, and psychology. With practice and patience, you can master the game and enjoy the thrill of the poker table. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more poker tips and tutorials. See you at the next game.